Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So, quick and honest review on this Fokupaha knit stripped scarf set tie. These include some lenses, a scarf, a tie, and some water tattoos. And this is basically like a Harry Potter costume. So, this is the tie. It is very accurate and the quality is really great. And these are the glasses. They don't have like an actual glass on them, so they're very comfortable and also really high quality. And I also thought they were very accurate to the Harry Potter costume. And these are the little water tattoos. So you just put a little bit of water in a towel and you make sure the tattoo is very well damped, and then you let it sit for a little bit. And overall, I thought this costume was very, very cute. And I like that it fits all. Like, you don't need to choose a size, so it's going to fit everyone. And this is a scarf, which was very, very high quality. I really, really liked it. You can also use it like as a normal scarf after you wear it on Halloween, which I thought was also great. So now for the final costume, I decided to put this leather blazer on. And overall, I thought it looked really, really good. I thought this like costume set was very high quality, and here I'm just removing the tattoo, and it looked really, really cool. And it comes with a ton of tattoos, so you can place them wherever you want. So if you were interested in dressing up as Harry Potter for Halloween, this set is perfect, very high quality, and great.